Why are bouncing balls so bouncy? Let's unravel this mystery and learn something cool today. Alright, let's dive in. First up, the magic ingredient rubber. Rubber comes from rubber trees or synthetic materials. It's stretchy, it's tough, and it's ready to bounce. Next, we mix it up. Rubber is combined with extra ingredients to make it even bouncier. Think of it like a secret recipe for the perfect bounce. This mixture goes into a super hot mold, shaping it into that perfect round ball we all love. Now here's where it gets fun. The balls are cooled down and polished until they're nice and shiny. And guess what? Some get super cool designs and colors on them. It's like they're getting dressed up for a party. Finally, each ball goes through a bounce test. Only the bounciest make the cut. They're then packed up and sent off to stores, ready to bring smiles and giggles to kids and adults everywhere. So next time you're playing with a bouncing ball, remember the cool journey it took to get to you. Pretty neat, right? Keep bouncing and keep exploring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating journeys.